Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how I replaced my third LED brake light on my Audi A6 estate. You will need the part number 4F9945097. I got mine from eBay, I'll leave a link in the description. You'll also need a flat screwdriver, a roll of sticky tape and some gloves, which are optional. So this is what's happening when I press the brake pedal. Alright, and you've got the warning light. So as you can see, oops, alright, so this is the estate version of the Audi. First thing that I need to do is open this bit here. And you can see that's how we gain access to the third brake light. Alright. Alright, so let's see what exactly is in here. So you can see all these clips will go in here and there and there as well. Alright, so all you have to do is take this bit out and pull it sideways like this. And then more or less it's going to come off. I can see there's this clamp over here. This clamp is gone. And there's another. So eventually it's out. So I think that's why this third brake light is not working anymore. And these are the clamps. 3 of them are off and the 4th one is still in there. Alright. I'm gonna take these off now. Try to put this in. Next step is to use this electrical contact cleaner to clean this bit here. So these two are side by side and you'll be able to see what went wrong here. So this is the brand new one, and you can see this particular seal here is in good shape, but on the old one it's kind of rubbish and all the water went in. Final check.
everything works properly.
As always, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment below if you think this video is helpful. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. It will help my channel reach 1000 subscribers. See you in my next video.